Chula Vista, the drone program really took off and obtained a lot of notoriety. There's a lot of public press that came from it and a lot of interest from outside of the normal law enforcement community. Our drone as first responder deploys only on calls for service. For example, if somebody calls 911, we assess each one of those calls live to determine whether we will launch a drone to assist with operations on that call, but we only deploy drones on calls for service. The Chula Vista Police Department began to look at the variety of safety components when flying our drones, and we landed on one that we believed to be the best to integrate with our software and the current hardware that we were deploying from our rooftops.
We chose the parachute because it was integrated into the CAPE program for our DFR program, and also with our colleagues down in Chula Vista, they had used the same system and recommended it for us to use. Clovis Police does not have an air support wing, therefore we utilize that beyond visual line of sight as our air support takes the officer out of the line of fire. So it's similar to a canine. You can send a drone in to take that officer out of that dangerous situation. Having that parachute be able to deploy and let the drone land helps with the drone longevity, damage to the drone, and also helps with citizens and damage to public property.
Safety is the #1 priority. We talk about de-escalation and taking situations that could be violent and de-escalating them to where they're non-violent and they can be resolved. We also believe that when it comes to flying our drones,